Hello and welcome to Donut Yen Investment. This analysis is for PDD Holdings on NASDAQ as of 9th of July 2026 with a share price of $84.74. The full report is on donutyen.ca. PDD Holdings, Pinduoduo and Temu, is statistically very cheap at about 8 times earnings with huge net cash and a 20% plus margin. But it's a Chinese ADR with a weak tape, tariff risk on Temu, and intense competition, so it's a short-term hold. The value case rates a medium and long buy. PDD runs Pinduoduo, a top 3 Chinese e-commerce platform built on rock-bottom prices, and Temu, its fast-growing cross-border discount marketplace. The domestic marketplace is highly profitable, a 22% net margin, and funds heavy investment in the loss-making but rapidly scaling Temu. It holds enormous net cash. On any fundamental screen, this is a very cheap, very profitable business. The 8 times multiple is not a bargain the market has overlooked. It's a risk discount. PDD is a Chinese ADR with a variable interest entity structure and a delisting tail. Temu faces US tariff and de minimis changes that hit its economics. And there's an intense domestic price war with Alibaba, JD and Douyin. Those overhangs are real, which is why the value case is a medium and long buy, not a short-term one. Short-term it's a hold because the tape is strongly bearish, a downtrend that's more than halved the stock, now trying to base, and the driver is a headwind with a weak Chinese consumer and the tariff overhang on Temu. The cheap valuation and net cash cushion the downside, but there's no entry edge until the tape or the driver turns. This is deep value for the patient, not a short-term trade. Now the other side of the ledger. A punitive tariff regime cripples Temu, a China ADR delisting escalation, the Chinese consumer stays weak, price war intensifies. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 71% above today, the base case, the most likely, about 27%, and the bear case a fall of about 32%, so you are risking about 32 to make 71. So, our call on PDD Holdings, on NASDAQ, hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Donut Investment at donutyen.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.